How to clean an automatic transmission. When it comes to cars, a lot of maintenance requirements can be handled by yourself. By foregoing a visit to your local mechanic and maintaining your own car, you can save some cash. Even though some of the maintenance tasks can be difficult, especially for those people who are mechanically challenged, learning how to clean a transmission can be a great step towards becoming a competent do-it-yourself. Welcome to Auto V Fix, our YouTube channel dedicated to all things automobiles. We offer clear explanations on car-related issues and essential components, as well as professional tips to help maintain your vehicle. In this video, we will guide you on how to clean an automatic transmission. Keep watching to learn more. Making the vehicle ready for service. 1. Warm up your vehicle by driving it around for a few minutes. Draining the fluid will go much faster when the fluid is at least warm. Be careful working around hot vehicle components, especially the exhaust system. 2. Always work on a flat, regular surface. Place the vehicle in park, set the parking brake, and chock the rear wheels before raising the vehicle. 3. Use your owner's manual to locate a good jacking point and raise the vehicle high enough off the ground to clear your jack stands. 4. Again referring to your owner's manual, place jack stands on both sides of the vehicle. Jack stands allow for much easier access to the relevant components. Jack stands are also much more reliable. 5. Ensure you have the correct fluid for your vehicle. There are many types of fluid, and some manufacturers even require brand-specific fluid. Consult your owner's manual and an automotive parts professional to ensure you have the correct fluid and parts before you begin. Draining the fluid and cleaning up. 1. Drain the fluid and remove the transmission oil pan. Position a large drain pan under the transmission oil pan and try not to spill any fluid. Keeping the area under your vehicle clean will help you stay clean. 2. Examine the old transmission fluid. Look for anything that seems out of place, like sediment or large pieces of metal in the fluid. This could be indicative of a larger problem, so if you find anything, consult a transmission expert immediately. It is also a good idea to measure the amount of fluid drained, because this will give you a good estimate on how much fluid to replace. 3. Clean the transmission oil pan inside and out. Automatic transmissions are very sensitive to dirt and foreign matter. Use a degreaser to clean the outside of the pan and brake cleaner to clean the inside and the gasket mating surfaces. 4. Remove and replace the transmission filter. Most automatic transmissions have a filter that traps debris in the system, and changing this filter is part of a complete service. Reassembling and refilling the transmission fluid. 1. Reinstall the transmission oil pan. Work cleanly, slowly, and carefully, and this will be easy. 2. Raise the vehicle off the jack stands. Remove the jack stands and lower the vehicle. 3. Open the hood of your vehicle and find your transmission dipstick. Typically, the transmission dipstick is red in color, while the engine oil dipstick is yellow, but always refer to your owner's manual. The dipstick tube usually doubles as the fill port. Slowly refill the transmission fluid, checking the level often to avoid overfilling. A long funnel will make this easier. 4. Start the engine when the transmission fluid begins to register on the dipstick. Let the engine idle for a few minutes and look for leaks. It is a good idea to move the selector lever through all positions as well. 5. Top off the fluid and continue to check for leaks. Refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for exact instructions on how to check the fluid level. This is very important because some vehicles require you to check the transmission fluid with the engine running and others do not. Following the wrong procedure may result in an inaccurate dipstick reading. Ensure you're using the right procedure, the level is correct, and you're all done. Congratulations! You have completed the tutorial on how to clean an automatic transmission. If you found the video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more DIY automotive content, and hit the notification bell. We would love to hear your suggestions for future topics in the comments section below. Remember to always drive safely and stay happy. Thank you for watching.